Okay, now I'm going to make some cranberry sauce. I've got this bag here. Okay, so I'm going to pour all of the cranberries in here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for some bad cranberries, but I don't really see any bad ones. These are really good cranberries. Look at that. These look really good. Usually the bad ones are like squishy, and I'm also looking for any stems that I need to remove. I don't see any. This is a good bag. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we are going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to add 1 cup of sugar. So we're going to bring that to a boil. Best thing to do is to use a wooden spoon. That way things don't get scorched. We're not going to add the cranberries yet until this all comes to a boil. So one of the things you want to do with the sugar water here is stir occasionally, just to make sure that nothing scorches at all. So it's pretty warm, almost boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cranberries. And what these cranberries are going to do, so you can see it right now, is they're going to start popping. You'll hear them pop. And that's where you get your cranberry sauce in the making. So we're just going to let it boil here until they start popping. Okay, so the cranberries are starting to pop a little. This one right here is popped. They're going to start popping. You can hear them. Okay, so these things, gosh, can you smell it? I wish you could smell it. Wow. Okay, so they're popping really good. So we're just going to keep doing it until all of the cranberries are popped. Yep, starting to look like cranberry sauce. Sometimes what I do is I'll help the process a little bit and then just kind of smash the cranberries onto the side of the pot, the saucepan. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay, so pretty sure that the cranberries are all popped. Nice good texture in there. All in all, that took about maybe 25 minutes. Yeah, we don't want to cook it anymore because we don't want to burn it. Looks good. Look at that. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. This is good on the next morning on some toast with butter. Yeah, just like jelly. Very good consistency. All right, so we're going to let that cool. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the cranberry sauce in here.